Cupcakes, welcome back to my channel. Today is a really exciting day because Boldface Makeup sent me a freaking PR box. So if you don't know who Boldface Makeup is, you should. They are a lash brand, obviously. They have a bunch of 3D lashes that are just beautiful. Let me just read straight off their website. Boldface lashes are innovative, custom lash styles that will transform your eyes in an instant. We are made up of 100% cruelty-free sterilized hair. So I think that it's really cool that they do cruelty-free because, you know, you don't want to harm any animals or anything like that in the process of making lashes. They also have some double stacked lashes that are $13.75, but all the other lashes are $8.75, which I think is a really affordable price considering, you know, there are countless brands that sell their lashes for, you know, $30 and up, and I think that's just ridiculous. This box did come with a little card, looks like this, which I think is really cute, really simple, and on the back they have some tips on how to take care of your lashes. So first I want to talk about the packaging just because I think the packaging is so cute. They have two collections out right now. One is the Glam collection and one is the Bold collection, and I think it's just really unique and cool how they chose to make each collection a different color. They only have two collections out right now, so I'm not sure if they're gonna make the third collection, if they come out with another one, a different color for the packaging. But I just think the colors are so cute, and I love this like pop of yellow that they have. So it's kind of like a bubble. Honestly, the packaging is a little bulky, like they could cut off this part, but other than that, I just like the simplicity of it. I like how they have the name of the style inside, and if you open inside they have these cute little flaps that say wink. In the back they just have a little description of the collection, and then they have their website and all their social media right here. So the order that I'm showing you is the order that the lashes appear on the website. And just to let you know, this is not a how to apply your lashes video, but I do have a separate 2-minute video showing you how to apply your lashes. If you want me to make a completely separate video showing you how to properly take off your lashes and how to clean them and how to take care of them and all that to make them last longer, then let me know by giving this video a thumbs up and writing in the comments below. Alright, now let's get started. those last pair of lashes were really heavy. Yeah, those were all the lashes that they have on their website. I can't wait to see what they have in store, what's to come. And I really hope you liked this video. I hope it was able to help you out. Give it a thumbs up if you thought it was helpful. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Also hit your post notification button so you won't miss out on any of my new videos. Let me know which ones were your favorite in the comments below. And just keep in mind when you're buying lashes, the shape of your eye, because what may look good on me may look completely different on you. So for example, Boldface Forward looks beautiful on my best friend, but when I wear them, they just don't fit my eye shape, so they look like a little weird on me. So what I suggest is trying different types of lashes out and seeing which one best fits your eye shape, and you know, just go from there. Well, thank you so much for taking the time out to spend the day with your girl. I love and appreciate all your support and can't wait to see what we have in store. And if you haven't checked out Boldface Makeup, I will leave all the information in the description below, so their Instagram, Facebook, their email, their website, all that. Stay caked, stay fierce, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!